Okay, so I have a 94 Ford F-150 5.0, aluminum heads, Powerdyne supercharger. So I've replaced TPS, IAC, ICM. I've replaced computer, spark plugs, distributor, cap, rotor, wires, injectors. It seems to just idle rough, and I can't figure it out. So maybe some help from you guys could help me out. Obviously we have spark, we have fuel pressure. For some reason, when I rev it up or I'm going above a certain RPM, it runs better than idle. Idle's the only issue.